Seeds of Purpose, Episode 4, The Seasons of Waiting. There is a time of planting, a time of growing, and then there's the waiting. The season in between, when nothing seems to move, when the whole world around you keeps blooming, and you're still holding on to the promise that something will come alive in you again. Waiting can feel like emptiness, like stillness, with no story. But in truth, it's one of the most sacred parts of purpose. Because waiting teaches you trust. It invites you to believe in what you cannot see. It asks you to stay faithful, not just to the dream, but to the soil you've planted it in. Every seed waits in the dark before it breaks open. Every tree has a winter before it turns to spring. And every heart must learn patience before it learns peace. You might not feel it now, but this season is not wasted. The silence is not empty. It's full of unseen movement, quiet preparation, and hidden growth. So breathe here, rest here. Let the waiting shape you. Because purpose isn't only found in action, it's found in the patience to become. One day, you look back and realize the waiting was never about delay. It was about readiness. It was about becoming who you needed to be for what's coming next. So let this be your reminder. Nothing still is truly still. Even in the quiet, life is growing beneath the surface. Trust your season of waiting. It's where your roots find faith.